This is it, crowd of people. This is what my great grandmother used to eat. This is how they used to eat saltfish. So instead of eating rice and dumplings and all those things, they'll just cook a pottigel with saltfish. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to prepare puttigel and saltfish. This fruit is called puttigel. So I am going to cook just piece of this fruit. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. On the inside, no, it is not squash. It's called puttigel. So as you see, there are some seeds inside. So I'm gonna peel it. The skin is very hard to get off. So I'm gonna peel it and I will be right back. So this is what it looks like. Move the skin and remove some of the seeds, but when I put it to boil, the other rest of seed will just come out in the pot. So I have some water here, about 2 cups. I added some salt to the water and I'm gonna put it to boil for until it softens, which usually takes like 10-15 minutes. Now I am going to put the remaining puttigel into the fridge for another use. Now you probably will not be able to do this recipe because you probably will not able to get this fruit. I am just showing you some of Jamaican's traditional dishes. Yeah, so that is really the purpose of this video. And this smells like unripe mangoes. Yeah, so as soon as the puttigel, some people say portigel, some people say puttigel, no, whatever. So as soon as it is cooked, I will be right back. Oh, one more thing. I have here some saltfish, or a piece of saltfish, that I went ahead and removed the excess salt. I remove the skin, then I wash it with tap water, and then I put it to boil for about 5 minutes, and then I discarded the water and then put it to boil again for another 5 minutes. Then I remove it from the heat. I rinse again with tap water, and now I am flaking it with my hands. Yeah. So I'm gonna set this aside. So right here I have 1 tomato that I slice up, 1 small onion that I slice up, and piece of hot pepper and a clove of garlic. So I'm gonna just set that aside. Now this is what the puttigel looks like when it is cooking. It froths a lot, so I normally have a spoon and a container nearby to remove the froth, so because I don't want it to spill over on the stove. So the puttigel is cooked, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do now is allow it, I put it in a strainer to strain off the water, or so that it can drip dry. So what I'm gonna do now is to allow it to cool a bit, remove the rest of the seeds, and then I'm gonna slice it up to cook it up with the saltfish. This is what it looks like. So I put a pot on medium low, and now I added about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I'm going to saute the seasoning until they are translucent. Okay, so these fresh herbs are softening now. So I'm going to add the saltfish. So I'm going to allow the saltfish to just saute for a bit. So I'm going to add the puttigel. Like I said, this is a very old-time Jamaican cooking. Way back from my great-grandmother's days. So I'm going to season it up a bit with some black pepper. So this is it, crowd of people. This is what my great-grandmother used to eat. This is how they used to eat saltfish. So instead of eating rice and dumplings and all those things, they'll just cook a puttigel with saltfish and eat it like this. And this you would consider, I don't think you would consider it as a one-pot meal, but it is very satisfying. It is very filling because it is full of fiber. It's so full of fiber. So this is ideal for anyone who is constipated. Yeah, so good.
We're famous for a lot of things, you know. Not just sports and music, but